20th century saw the rise of many iconic video games that left a lasting impact on the industry. Here are 10 of the best-selling and most influential games of that era. Tetris, 1984. Created by Alexei Pajitnov, Tetris became a global phenomenon, especially after its release on the Game Boy in 1989, selling millions of copies. Super Mario Bros. 1985. This Nintendo classic, created by Shigeru Miyamoto, revolutionized the platformer genre and sold over 40 million copies, becoming one of the best-selling games of all time. Pokémon Red, Green, Blue. 1996, the original Pokémon games for the Game Boy sparked a worldwide craze and sold over 47 million copies, establishing one of the most successful franchises ever. Duck Hunt, 1984. Bundled with the NES, Duck Hunt used the light gun accessory and sold over 28 million copies. The Legend of Zelda, 1986. Another masterpiece by Miyamoto, this action-adventure game for the NES became a cornerstone of the genre and sold millions of copies. Final Fantasy VII, 1997. This JRPG by Square Enix was a landmark in storytelling and graphics, selling over 10 million copies and significantly boosting the popularity of RPGs in the West. Street Fighter II, 1991. Capcom's iconic fighting game dominated arcades and home consoles, selling millions of units and popularizing the fighting game genre. Donkey Kong, 1981. An early success for Nintendo, this arcade game introduced Mario, then known as Jumpman, and sold millions of units worldwide. Pac-Man, 1980. Created by Namco, Pac-Man became a cultural icon and one of the highest-grossing arcade games ever, with over 42 million units sold. The Sims, 2000. Although released at the very end of the century, The Sims quickly became a bestseller, offering a unique simulation experience and selling over 11 million copies by 2000. These games not only achieved significant sales, but also had a profound impact on the gaming industry, influencing game design, popularizing genres, and becoming cultural icons.